Today we're going to make chicken korma. This has a few ingredients. Everything will be listed in the description with instructions. I'm adding some clarified butter that I made. Turn down the heat a bit. And we'll add onion. A little bit of salt, and we'll cook up the onion. Well, the onions have cooked and they browned up nice. I'm going to remove them. I'm going to add a little bit more clarified butter. And we're going to add garlic and ginger that I smashed. And 2 bay leaves, peppercorns, cumin seed, green cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon and cloves. We'll just cook this until I notice the garlic. We will add the chicken. This is 2 pounds of chicken thighs. I did salt them, and they've been waiting. I salted them, and they've been waiting to get to this step. And cook these up just a little bit. Here's where I put the onions. I put them in a food processor. I have 2 kind of small tomatoes. I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to add yogurt, about 3/4 of a cup. Again, everything will be in the description. All the ingredients, the amounts, the method. And we're going to make this into like a sauce. The chicken is cooked about 3 minutes. Let's turn it over. The pan really cooled down, and so it should heat up a little bit more while we cook the other side. Let's turn the chicken back over. It's cooked about 7 minutes all together. Looking good. We're going to add the yogurt mixture in here. Yogurt with the tomatoes and the onions. Put that in there. Then you need to add some salt. We're going to add cumin, ground cumin, coriander. The first was coriander, then cumin. And here I have a little bit of Aleppo pepper. Some turmeric. Some paprika. Get this going, stir this around. Gonna lower down the heat. Get it mixed up. It's going to be really good. You'll see. I can smell those tomatoes in there too. Okay, we're going to get a lid on this. I want to cook this very slowly for about 15 minutes with the lid on. So turn your heat down low. Oops, I forgot something. I'm going to add one chili. It's a serrano chili. I'm not going to cut it up. I'm just going to put it in here for a little bit heat, and then we'll remove it unless somebody wants to eat it. But it will add just a little bit of heat. Okay, 15 minutes. It's been simmering about 15 minutes. You know, the more traditional way to make this is to hack up the chicken into small pieces. But I'm being lazy and making it the American way, I guess. We're going to add water to this. Half a cup of water. A little bit of mace, a little bit of nutmeg, and stir this in. This way it'll make more of a sauce, really. And so you just want to cook this until you get the sauce consistency that you would like to have. This is usually served with bread, but I'm going to have it with rice, so I just kind of roll that way. So I'm going to let this cook until it gets the way it looks good to me. Let's serve some up. Got plenty of sauce. Some almonds. Let's have a taste. Beautiful. I might be able to eat the whole thing. The whole recipe. It is so good. Just wonderful, wonderful flavors coming through. Thank you so much for watching.